Welcome to today's video. We're diving into one of the most exciting advancements in construction technology, drones. These flying machines are no longer just cool gadgets. They're revolutionizing the construction industry in ways we could only dream of a few years ago.
That's right. Drones are enhancing efficiency and safety on construction sites across the globe. From site surveys and progress monitoring to inspections and safety management, drones are changing the game. Let's explore how these high-tech tools are transforming construction. First up, site surveys and mapping. Traditionally, these tasks required a lot of manpower and time, with surveyors on the ground collecting data. But now, drones are providing a faster, more accurate alternative.
Absolutely. With drones, construction teams can quickly capture aerial footage and create three-dimensional topographic maps. This not only speeds up the process but also gives teams a bird's-eye view of the site, something that was nearly impossible to achieve so efficiently before.
And it doesn't stop there. The data collected by drones can be integrated into Building Information Models, or BIM, ensuring that digital models are always up to date with the real conditions on the ground.
Next, let's talk about progress monitoring. One of the biggest advantages of using drones is the ability to track the progress of a project in real time. No more relying solely on manual inspections or delayed reports.
Exactly. Drones can follow predetermined flight paths daily, capturing comprehensive images that show the entire site's progress at a glance. This gives project managers a visual timeline, helping them track milestones and spot potential delays early on.
And the best part? This drone footage can be used in planning meetings, giving all stakeholders a clear, up-to-date view of the project. This kind of insight is invaluable for making informed decisions.
Inspections and quality control are crucial aspects of any construction project, but they can be time-consuming and risky, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Drones are making this process much easier and safer.
Right. Drones can access tall buildings, narrow spaces, and other challenging areas without the need for scaffolding or lifts. This not only speeds up inspections, but also reduces the risks associated with traditional methods.
Plus, the detailed images and videos captured by drones can be integrated into BIM systems, helping teams document the quality and condition of the work as it progresses, which is essential for maintaining accuracy. Safety is a top priority on construction sites, and drones are playing a key role in enhancing safety protocols. They provide an aerial view of the site, helping safety managers identify hazards that might not be visible from the ground.
One great example is fall protection monitoring. Drones can quickly check whether workers are using proper safety equipment when working at heights, without the need for physical inspections.
And they can also be deployed to inspect high-risk areas, reducing the need to expose workers to potential dangers. This proactive approach is helping to make construction sites safer than ever before. Lastly, let's talk about documentation. Keeping a visual record of the project is crucial for resolving disputes, conducting audits, or even planning future projects. Drones make this process easier by capturing high-quality images and videos.
With drones, daily documentation can be as simple as launching a drone and capturing footage of the site. This provides a visual timeline of the project, which can be invaluable for proving that work was completed to specifications.
And beyond just documentation, this footage can also be used for marketing, client updates, and future proposals, showing off the scale and complexity of the work. As we've seen, drones are no longer just a futuristic concept. They're revolutionizing construction right now. From improving safety to enhancing efficiency, the impact of drones on construction sites is undeniable.
And as drone technology continues to evolve, the possibilities will only expand, offering even more ways to boost productivity and safety across the industry. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve in construction, it's time to embrace the drone revolution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more insights into the latest in construction technology.
And don't forget to share this video with your colleagues. Let's keep the conversation going about how drones are changing the construction industry.